Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. Today is Wacky Wednesday, y'all. Beautiful morning. And I'm out here with something wacky. truly wacky this time, y'all. This quad, I don't even know what the name of this quad is anymore. But I got this wacky pod quad here. I guess that's a good name for it, a pod quad. Because it has that little pod on the front of it, or well, on the top of it. Any of you guys who remember the name of this quad, please let me know in the comments, because I'm really curious to find out the name of this thing. If I find out the name of this, then it'll be going across the top here. So that's before I put the video out. But anyhow, I had a lot of problems with this back in the day. When I initially got it, I really couldn't get it to fly correctly. I was having all types of accelerometer issues and everything, and so I never really got to enjoy this thing. But I saw other channels were having no problems with it. But now that I know a lot more about Betaflight and all, I was able to update this thing to 4.0 Betaflight using my phone with Drone Flasher. And this thing now flies. It seems like it hovers well indoors and all. I haven't flown it outdoors, so this is my first time flying it outdoor for this Wacky Wednesday, y'all. And one thing I don't think many people realize is that this thing has a barometer in it, and so it reads the altitude and everything. And I only know that because when I had it plugged up to my phone through the Speedy Bee app, it was yelling out the altitude and stuff like that. Well, not on the Speedy Bee app, I'm sorry. I have this other app that allows you to configure your drones. It's called EasyGUI, ground station and whatnot. And when I plug that up to that app, it actually yells out the altitude of the quad. And I tested it by moving it up and down and whatnot, and it was changing. And when I plug it up to EasyGUI, it does say that a barometer is present. So anyhow, let's get this guy up in the air. Going to try to do some FPV with this as well, because it has that camera on there and all. I did connect it to D8 mode FR Sky, but this is a PPM receiver built in this thing, and so might have a small delay. Anyhow, let's get this thing up in the air. I'm curious to see how it's going to fly, y'all. No buzzer. D-Shot commands don't seem like they're working, but it is using D-Shot 600. It was on one shot 125, but I switched it to D-Shot 600 and it was flying, so it was at least hovering. So let's get this guy up in the air. I'm trying to be careful so that my phone doesn't fall. Phone is heavy as crap. Have this Galaxy, what is it, the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Okay, so it's ready. Let's try to hit record, see if we can record. Okay, so we're in angle mode, so this thing is flying. I got my 85mm, well, my 85 Whoop props on here. Let's try a punch out. Punch out's not bad. Let's go in acro. Okay, so we're in acro mode. It is flying in acro, responding to everything. Let's try a flip. So this wacky thing is flying. Sheesh, the flip to the other side is really slow though. Let's try to do some FPV before it's too late. Uh-oh, the reception is not all that good. I think it's running at 25 milliwatts. PPM signal, so slight delay. I guess I gotta take account for that. Saying the battery is low. Oh! And we banged out with it. I didn't realize I was that high in the air with it. Sheesh. At least we came down though. Let's check it out. Did a little branch trimming. Uh-oh, we got a prop bent down. Spin it back up. Okay, not too much damage, doesn't look like. Yeah, there's a slight delay, but not too much. Find the line of sight, y'all. I don't know what happened there. I think I might have killed it that time, y'all. It's still kicking, I guess. The props are a little bent up. I think I just lost orientation there or something. I thought that I was leaning towards the right direction, but it just went unexpectedly into the tree. So this thing is a little tank, I guess. Flying a little wonky now because of the props. I done banged it up a little bit. Let me bring it back in for a second and check it. Did I smash an arm? One of the arms look a little bent. Yeah, I got to be careful because the PCB board is actually the frame, part of the frame of this thing. So let me see if I can straighten out some of the props. Get this thing back flying good again. Probably killing this battery. Let's do a little more FPV, y'all. Oh, it's saying land now. Let me bring it back. It died on me. Sheesh. Yeah, I was killing the battery. Should have brought it in a long time ago. But anyhow, happy to have flown this thing finally. Banged it out a couple times, but it survived. So might do some more experimenting with this thing. It does have the barometer in here. I don't know if that'll allow me to set this thing up for altitude hold. But the PPM signal doesn't seem too far off as far as the delay and all. Not bad. And the camera is okay for an analog system. Pretty unique little quad. Happy I didn't totally destroy it just now. It does have LEDs on the bottom too. Maybe some night flying with this guy later on. But it's the pod quad. Again, let me know in the comments if you know the correct name for this little quad. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your day, guys. Wacky Wednesday.